All right, I'm gonna finally get to this car wash theme basket I got going on, y'all. Clap, 1, 2. I've been out here hustling with these baskets, and I keep saying, let me make another car wash basket. And so we're gonna get the party started right now, baby, at Costco. Not Costco. I need to go to Costco to get a few things, not Costco. I guess they in my brain. But however, I'm trying to let you know about Ross. Ross, baby. When you go to Ross and you're 55 years and older, you can go get you 10% off on your purchases on Tuesday. So I went on Tuesday and bought a couple more of these car wash baskets. Car wash complete sets. So I can make another car wash theme basket. They're $11.99. And it come with everything. It come with glass cleaner. It come with wax. Wash and wax, okay? It come with the protection spray that you put on, that you wipe down your dashboard with. It come with some air. That ain't air, that's tire foam. And then it come with a vent air freshener. 5 pieces for $11, okay? $11.99. You might as well sell $12. But Ross is the place to get this at. They had several of them at my location. So check it out, According on the Porch. It be so many people with their music, y'all. It be special, so I gotta hit that button. Then I got this little miniature vacuum at also Ross. So it's going for like $10.99. I was wondering if this gonna go like this. Check that out, like that. Instead of using this bucket that I was gonna use. I said I could save my bucket, give them these towels. It's 8 of them, okay? Micro auto towels, so that you ain't scraping up your car. And it could be taped to the back of this. And then I was gonna give them some loofah and some little miniature body wash and some deodorant. Because after they wash their car, they might wanna, it's okay to wash their tail. But I don't know.
Are you recording? Oh my
God. I'm sorry, y'all. I was laughing so much. I had to push pause. But I was really serious. It's okay to take care of yourself after you didn't wash the car. And I'm just going to give you a little something to help you out. That's all. Give you a little something to help you out. You got you some Old Spice Swagger body wash. And you got you some good old deodorant, okay? Smelling like a coconut. I'd rather coconut.
Coconut?
Yeah, well, it's a scent of a palm tree coconut, but I'd rather you smell like a coconut than funk. So, hey, there you go, coconut.
Yeah.
I'd rather smell coconut all day long than funk. So,
Yeah.
I think it's wonderful. And the vacuum is a small, compact vacuum, okay? And it comes with, it's easy to use. It comes with the little car vacuum thing, the 12V plug, car outlet plug. It comes with a filter. Oh, sounds like I hear somebody screaming. Want to make sure they're okay. That didn't sound right.
Well, the way they walked out, I guess it ain't that dime until they walked out. Like is that the child that's crying? It wasn't at all?
I don't know. I got a little black and red loofah was gonna put this in the bag. I figured I'm gonna waste my basket. See my girl over here revamping her barbecue pit over here. She used cement glue because the cans didn't understand the assignment. So she used cement glue. I can take this loofah to the outside of this box next to the body wash side and call it a day. Oop, you can't see. And call it a day is what I can do. Instead of using a box, I could just tape this right on down, glue this right on down, and then stick it in the box. And that is a car wash thing. And I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna stick the, yeah. Let's see how that works. Let's see how that works. I'm gonna tape it down once it's in the bag, okay? And make it very easy for myself. I'm not gonna be stressing. I need cars to pull up and be like, I need that basket, okay? I think this is what size is this? Maybe a 24 by 30 or 20 something by 30. So I'm gonna start off with putting the vacuum in here, and I'm gonna put a sticker over the price tag, which was $10.99. So let's find the stickers. Because the smooth say $10.99 on here. $10.99. Alright. I think, yeah, $10.99 is what that is. And then I can pull this down some. And measure this here, my car wash Armor All complete set for the men, and then I can figure out where I'm gonna glue it. And so I'm gonna put glue dots on the bottom of this thing here with these wonderful glue dots that I believe was bought from Amazon, but they nice and thick. They kind of like balloon dots. They definitely get the assignment. So I'm gonna just go to the bottom of this box and glue dot some stuff. All on, it is stuck to the plastic, see? Glue dot some stuff. Go. I think I'm gonna eat an apple from yesterday. I want to try the strawberry lemonade one. Okay, now I'm gonna take this and go over here and put it. Oh, we got music.
I ain't seen no cars. That's
Yeah,
why I was like,
her bike. She was jamming on her bike. She sure was.
okay.
She sure
I ain't seen
was.
no cars. That's what I said. That's what I said from the bike.
Okay, I'm gonna put an orange sticker over here so you match the orange. So I have now officially glued that. And then I was gonna give it a big old bottle of the Swagger and the deodorant that I got. But I don't know, I might put this in a concept with the football thing concept. I think they got enough. They got a little trial one. I'm going to glue dot this to the back of this box. Oop. All right, I'm going to glue dot this to the front of the box. I was going to do the side, but I decided to do the front. Got a couple more glue dots left from the first piece that I tore off. I see a lot of men driving by today. Not a lot of women. Okay, so I'm going to glue dot this to this box so it'll stay facing that way. And then I'm going to glue dot my body wash. In the center, and then this should stay. Got another glue dot. Put it on the edge to make sure it stays. Okay, I'm gonna put this right here on the edge like this, so it can be on the side of the car wash box. The complete car care kit. Then I'm gonna just take this loofah and take this loofah to the box. Trying not to use too much tape, but I'm gonna take this to the box. Definitely gonna take this probably right where the tag is, it'll stay better. And just lay it so it can just be taped. It can be to the back. Put a glue dot all around here so it can just stay glued to the box. Come on, glue dot. Be nice. Be nice, glue dot. It smells like somebody barbecuing. Alright, let's see here. Alright, I'm going to just glue that to the box, and that's going to sit like that. We're going to bring this on up. And there we go. And I'm going to tie this down and put a ribbon up here. Oh, oh. Did the bag bust? The bag didn't bust it, y'all. I didn't bust it, the bag, so I need a new bag. That was special. All right, since the bag busted, I think my original thought was to use this bucket in the beginning. So, I ain't got time to keep ripping bags. Let's see here. Take this out. I'm just curious. They need something to put their stuff in after they open it anyway. Might be too heavy. Turn it upside down. Probably gonna be too high for my bag when I just do that rip bag. make it though. But barely. Because I still need to put my towel. So if I turn this around, I can take my towel sideways to the bucket. Interesting. Let's see if that works. All right, I tried another bag because the other bag had a straight issue with busting. So I put it in another bag. I was gonna try a bucket. I said I'm not gonna waste that bucket. I had already taped the complete car care to the vacuum, and I taped him some body wash and a loofah, and on the back he got him some towels, some Microsoft Auto towels, and I'm gonna just add a bow. That is the complete car wash concept. These pool bowls, I got all black, and they're very easy to use. Take it out the pack, and the part that doesn't have the string, which is this part, I put upside down, and then the part that has the string, which is right here, I just hold the string, the two strings, and I pull this down like this, and it's gonna make a beautiful bow. And I take the two strings and tie it so that it doesn't come unraveled. Then I tie this bow right to the gift, okay? And that's how we do that. I hear music. Okay, I got it wrapped on the gift, and now I'm gonna just tie it around very gently. The ribbon is sensitive, so don't be tender-headed to your gift. Like my girl is very tender-headed with combing. She heavy-handed, that's the word I was looking for. So you gotta be light-handed, or your ribbon gonna bust. Your string. Woo. All right, there we go. It's all ribboned up. You just gotta just fix the tail. You know, fix it, fix your tail, fix your ribbon. You can cut this extra string off. Uh-oh, I hear you. Yep, you cut this extra string off. Then you can just curl this extra string, make it curly, and there you go. It's a done deal. I just take the scissors to the edge of the ribbon. I need to cut that extra piece from the zip side. But you could just curl it just like that. Give it some curls and you can cut that zip side. Oh, I hope I didn't cut the bag. And there you go. That gift is wrapped up. This car wash thing, I'm going to take downstairs and add it to the table. Here I go. Add it to the table because we needed to fill in something down here. We can add it right here. This one, I got this candle over here. I need to scoot this candle over so this candle don't be melting. It needs to definitely go. Scoot it over some. This one got a candle. I don't want it to be Actually, there's two of them down here with candles. We're gonna switch this over, trying to give it out the sun. You can come over here. You ain't got no candle. And there we go. Got to switch stuff up, especially when the sun is turning. And I don't want my candles to be melting because my candle melted last week. And I need to fix that basket with that melted candle, okay?